Hi, I'm Kelly Sinkowski, and we are in week 4. And this week we talk about institutional resources required for technology integration. So this can be anything from your infrastructure like finance, equipment, discuss the maintenance, support, professional development, what kind of training is there, what is the cycle of replacement, those kinds of things. Is there a user agreement that students are going to sign? All of these things are question marks, if you will, when you're thinking about technology integration at the institutional level. So these are all considerations. And this week we actually are going to have 2 different assignment bases. So we're going to do a group assignment. So you're going to do a group discussion post with your responses instead of the typical write the paper that I have done in the past with this one. So your group is going to do the research on a case study and then answer some questions and post that to discussion posts. Then there's our regular discussion post that is student-led as well, that I'm also in a little bit, but I'm reading all your responses as well. So really focus on when you're looking at case studies this week and doing the readings. There's some fabulous readings on what is needed, what is the best model support, technology integration, and what considerations that there are for that. So there's some really great web resources as well that we're going to focus on, as well as some articles. So just really be thinking about if you're a school district and the institution is trying to figure out what to do, or higher ed, whatever the institution is that you're looking to work at someday or at currently, and whatever the case study institution is that you find, look at what kind of considerations there are for financials, replacements, repairs. Are there different devices broken down by grade level and age? Are they all the same across the school? Yeah, is there a user agreement? Is there something that student has to sign a responsibility contract, if you will? Do the parents sign one? Is there one for the parents as well? Is there some kind of insurance policy that the district or school has in place? So these things are going to come into play later at our final project and our inventory that we're going to do later on in the semester. So now's a good time to just start thinking about those things. What kind of training? Are there workshops? Are there continuing ed on their programs they're using, or the tech tools they have in their schools? So all of that, take a look at whatever you can find in your case studies that will meet any of those topics, if you will. And I will be available for questions if you guys need anything, but I would definitely recommend get started early in the week on your groups so that you can make a plan first thing in the week. So what you want to have done by the end of this week, who's doing what, make sure everyone's participating. Everyone has responsibility in that. And then also you're going to be commenting on your other groups that are in your class as well. So what they found in their case studies. So I think this will be a better way of doing it than just writing yet another paper. We have enough of those going on. We have another paper later in the semester, as well as an option to do a paper for the final project. So this is going to be a discussion post so that we can, it is worth a lot more points, 5 times the typical discussion post. So make sure you're participating. But I just wanted to have some way that you guys can share out the things that you've learned so that you're learning from all the different schools, case studies, and districts that your classmates have found. So it's not just the one that you looked at to write a paper. So we're going to try it this way in the discussion post, and have a good week. Thank you.